Alright guys, welcome back to Get It Garage. Today we're doing a little update video on the MiG 140i. I had some really weird problems with it, and I thought that it was the welder. It is not the welder. If you guys have this problem, I hope it helps it out. I feel so dumb for it. I went to go and do some welding yesterday, and actually it was the day before yesterday. I hit the trigger, and I got no wire feed, and I did not know it was a problem. So this is the MiG 140i. You guys already know we have it. Gas is already on. Let's turn this on. Switch is in the back. That's very important. Power it up. And I go to hit the button. Focus. Focus. No wire feed. What's going on? No wire feed, but it still arcs. What's going on? I'm assuming that my wire feed motor is dead or something like that. Checked it all out. I couldn't find any problems. Emailed Everlast, and they told me what my problem was. And the problem was me. The problem was user error, and let me explain to you what I did. So, right here on the front, this is capable of utilizing a spool gun, and the switch for that is right here. What this switch does is it shuts off the wire feed. So it's fixed. That's all it was, is this silly switch right here on the front. So if you have no wire feed on your Everlast MIG welder, check that out. I feel dumb for not checking it myself. I should have checked. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway, I figured it out. Everlast hooked me up with emails and helped me with the technical support on that. I should have known better. I really should have. But hey, you live and you learn, and hopefully this video helps somebody and they don't have to spend days emailing back and forth thinking their welder's broken. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.